How to remove powered by Shopify code. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. And once you're there, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. And from the sales channels section, click on your store. And let me show you how this will look like. The powered by Shopify. It's basically a kind of logo or something like it shows at the bottom of your store, which is the link. When people clicked on it, as you can see, it says copyright 2022 my store powered by Shopify. When people clicked on it, it will redirect them to the Shopify homepage or something like that, so they can get started with Shopify. It's kind of advertising. If you want to delete this and remove it, you can go with code. You can go with HTML and stuff, but I will show you something easier that everyone can do. Go back to the page and then from the online store, click on themes. And scroll down to the current themes section and then click on the actions drop down. Then click on edit languages. And here you want to use the search bar to search for powered by. And then once you scroll down to the links section, you can see powered by Shopify. Click on that text field. And an easy trick you can use right here is to just leave a blank space. Do that, and once you do that, click on the save button at the top right of the screen. And what this will do is it will replace the text with nothing, with just a blank space, meaning that nothing will show, and the text, the powered by Shopify, will be hidden from your store. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete and hide powered by Shopify in your store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.